Another beautiful day and a great day for a drive in a 2017 Toyota Tacoma in quicksand with black cloth interior, seating for 4. And this has 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, and about a 5-foot box with a tonneau cover, a 3.5-liter V6 engine. It's a 4x4 with an automatic transmission. It also has a hardlined box, Bluetooth, satellite radio, reverse camera, and it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca, and stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This has a 3.5-liter V6 engine, an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Nice all-weather mats on the floor for easy cleanup, and you've got your 100-watt there. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your dash controls. There's your volume control. It's hands-free dialing. There's the dash there and the information. And you also have your cruise control. And this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start-stop button. On the dash, any important messages will appear, your odometer reading, and you can toggle through the different information for the different options that you want. In the center is a display screen. Right now we're seeing the sources, so AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as your Bluetooth. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. We're just going to put us back into park, and you also have a CD player there, your volume and tuner, and then down below you're seeing the heated seats for both driver and passenger. You've got your temperature, your front defrost, AC, and the other temperature control for your passenger, the USB, the auxiliary line in, and you have your 12-volt there. And as well, you've got a heated side view mirror. There's your 4x4, and that's the engine start button. And then you have a little bin, couple of cup holders, automatic shifter, emergency parking brake, and another cup holder. The armrest opens up, lots of room in there, and off to the side is a locking glove compartment. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror with your garage door opener, and you also have the different options here for the crawl, and so you can just dial through what you want. There's your 4x4, locking, differential, traction control, your lighting controls, and there's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, body color door handle and side view mirror, driver's side fuel cap, and in the back you have your backup camera right beside the handle, and you have your 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch with the cover. And then when you want to open it up, it's just simply putting your hand in the latch. Got that nice tonneau cover, and you can see you've got a nice hard cover floor. You've also got tie downs in all 4 corners, and you also have your power outlet located there. And then you just flip it right back up, and then you can just lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, and in the back you have seating for 2. You just pull the lever and you can lift the seat right up, and then you've got this nice little storage area underneath, your jacks there, and whatever else you want to put in there. And the other side has the same thing. You just pull the lever again, it'll come right down. Anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And in the center here, you've got a nice place to put your seat belts out of the way, as well as a little bin. There's a couple of cup holders, all-weather mats on the floor. Up above, your dome lighting. You have hooks in the back and access to a sliding window. Chrome bumper, 5-foot box, tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.